If you notice, I went over it, did a little extra cutting to get it closer to the scale. Now we're going to change the camera angle. We're doing something a little different today. Now I'm using the first edition of a WorkSharp Kid Onion. The reason I'm doing that, it does not have a cover on it like the Mark II does. Makes it a little easier for me to clean out. If you remember, I said I got a little bit off on here. We're going to do just a little trimming on the metal part. We'll have this fixed up in no time. Now I'm going to change the belt, put a new one on here. Now I'm going to change from a 120 grit to a 240 grit. Time to do a little bit of Dremel work, and I will go ahead and tell everyone I messed up and didn't get these pins far enough in. But the handle will not come off. We're going to take a Dremel to it, see what we can do. Then we'll polish it up. Finish up a little more on the Dremel work, do some hand sanding, and polish out the bolsters. We're going to finish up this part with the Dremel and the DEDECO sunburst disc. Now we'll see what we can get done. I have progressed through the little disc. Now we're up to the 600. I believe I'm going to take this up one more. I'm going to take it up to 6 micron. Concludes part 3 of the video. Stay tuned for part 4. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.